What if I told you that there were 5 proven strategies that could instantly double your ad ROI without complicated funnels, hacks, or guesswork? After managing over 150 million in ad spend over the last 5 years, I've finally figured out what actually works. And I don't even run ads in an easy niche either. I run ads where platforms like Facebook and Google don't even allow direct promotions. So if I can make it work, you definitely can too. And I'll show you how in this video. If you're struggling with ads that don't convert, this video will also save you months of trial and error and thousands in wasted budget. So let's dive into strategy number 1, which is your offer trumps everything. Most people think they have a traffic problem, but honestly, they don't. Most likely they have a conversion problem. For example, many business owners, they've told me if I could get more people to see this, it would sell like crazy. But if your offer isn't converting, more people seeing it won't fix it. So you gotta make your offer irresistible. But what makes an offer irresistible? In my experience, it comes down to solving an urgent problem that they might have. And it has to include a risk reversal. So like a money back guarantee or a free trial or something like that. And it has to really feel like a no-brainer deal for them. So your first fix before tweaking targeting or ad creatives is to optimize your offer. Otherwise, you're just throwing money at ads that probably won't work. The second strategy is to focus on psychology, not algorithms. So recently, I've been seeing a lot of marketers obsess over the latest algorithm hacks, but unfortunately, they'll never win at that game. Why? Because the algorithms change all the time, but people don't. Winning ads focus on human psychology, not platform updates. And it's hard to predict a platform update, honestly. So I'd recommend that you don't try it. What you can do is ask yourself the following questions. What's your audience's biggest pain point? What keeps them up at night or stressed out? And how does your offer solve that problem better than anything else? For example, instead of focusing on an ad placement trick where you think putting an ad somewhere, unconventional would work, focus on how your ad speaks to real human desires. So that could be wealth, health, relationships, safety, security, or even convenience. Strategy number 3 is to sell the click, not the product. Now, most beginners fail here, so please don't make the same mistake, but they try to sell the product directly in the ad itself, but that's actually the wrong way to do this. Saying, buy our marketing course, it's the best one out there, won't get you anywhere, honestly. Whereas instead, doing it the right way, which is to say something like 3 Facebook ad tweaks that doubled our ROI overnight, you can see the difference, but most people, they don't write this way. Your ad's only job is to get the click. Once they click, your landing page and funnel take over the selling. So your copy or your headline need to entice people to click instead of trying to bribe them. And to give you guys a little free game, my number 1 formula for highly clickable ads is to combine a burning intrigue with a specific benefit. Now, what this means is that the more curiosity driven and benefit focused your ad, the more people will click. Which brings me to clicking that like button for me. If you found value in this video so far, it helps out a ton and it shows me that you're liking the content. Thanks so much. Now let's get into the 4th strategy, which is to make ads look like content. So here's a harsh reality. Most ads fail because they scream, "I'm an ad, look at me," and people scroll right past that, right? How many of you scroll on your social media feed and see an ad and it looks like a typical "buy this amazing product, you'll be the envy of all your friends" type of ad, and it makes you cringe? Yeah, it's becoming more and more prevalent nowadays, unfortunately. But don't get too discouraged. The fix to this is to make your ad blend into the platform where it's running. So my recommendation is to use native style visuals that look like organic posts, which will help make your ad feel like content instead of a commercial. And use text overlays, subtitles, and emojis to match the platform, essentially helping it to blend in more. For example, a casual selfie video with someone providing real value performs way better than a polished corporate ad. If your ad doesn't look like an ad, people will engage with it more. And strategy number 5 is to find your bullseye and scale hard. Every market has a bullseye, right? Or a message that converts like crazy. So find that first and then you can scale. And if you want to learn how to scale paid ads profitably while avoiding costly mistakes, check out this video next. But how do you find your bullseye? Start by looking at past winning ads, right? Whether they're yours or they're someone else's, and just see what stands out, like what messaging worked best in those ads. Then, study your best customers. Why did they buy? Was there a pain point that you hit? And then test any new angles. Sometimes a small tweak like a headline or a new copy or a new CTA can make a huge difference in the lifetime of an ad. I'll give you another example of an ad that I created once that barely converted. At first, I tested a few different audiences. I decreased the spend, I changed platforms, and then I just changed one line on the ad from how to get better ROI on Facebook ads to why your Facebook ads are failing and how to fix them fast. That one tweak literally tripled our conversions overnight. So just make sure you're making those small tweaks first before you change the entire ad or call it a wash. And once you find that winning angle, then you want to go all in and scale aggressively, but never before, because you'll probably just be wasting a ton of your time and money. So let's recap. Again, the 5 proven strategies to instantly double your ROI are: number 1, your offer is everything. A bad offer will never convert. Number 2, focus on psychology, not algorithms. People don't change. Number 3, sell the click. Don't try to sell the ad itself. Number 4, make ads look like content. Native style ads get better engagement. And number 5, find your bullseye and scale. Once you hit it, go all in. And if you'd like, I created a free PDF with all of these strategies included in it, so you can refer back to it as you're experimenting with your ads. I'll put it in the link in the description below and pin it in the comments section as well. And if this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more proven strategies and paid ad breakdowns. And comment down below if you've ever used any of these strategies before. If not, what strategies are you guys currently using? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.